Look who's on the floor. Olsen Rosella. And Aniay with a miss.
Gang rebounding ang ginagawa ng Ginebra dito, lalo na habang wala dyan si Freeman. Kagiwa with a what a move.
12 points for Mark the Spark Kagiwa. That extends the Ginebra lead to 5 points, 80-77. Right now, it's Rosella, Daniel Defonso, Jonas Villanueva, Peña, and Arwin Santos for San Miguel. Here's Santos, and now Jonas will fire away.
Yes,
that's a three.
They were very patient in moving that ball from strong side to weak side until they got an open shot.
2-point game para sa Ginebra, 82-80. Nasa mga unang bahagi tayo ng fourth and final quarter. Kagiwa really wants that ball, but they go instead to Villanueva. He's double teamed. Needs to give that ball up. 1 second to go. Elterbrand, no, not even in time.
Well, the main factor there was they did not get the ball to Kagiwa, who had Olsen Rosella behind him. Now, whatever how good Olsen is, he's not a post defender. That's why Kagiwa wanted that ball much earlier, and he never got the ball.
2 minutes having gone by in the fourth.
You can't give Danny that open shot, but he missed that one.
Bodies flying under the basket. And here's Kagiwa. Power move. And Olsen is hurt. He's holding on to his face.
Enrico got him in the face.
Pero tutulungan ni Enrico yan kasi Kuya Olsen yan. Okay, here's what happened.
Ito, Olsen gets the rebound. Enrico comes in.
There it is, the reach in. Got Olsen in the face.
Pero may foul si Olsen doon dahil siya tumulak kay Willie Wilson. Remember sa rebound? Bago niya nakakuha yung rebound, tinulak na si Willie Wilson. Kaya siya natawagan ng foul na yun. So, double block eye, anong tawag natin. Ikaw napal, ikaw pa natamaan. Same school yan, hindi gagalawin ni Rico.
Kuya nga yan. Alright, here's Kagiwa. Outside Elterbrand. Still a 2-point game, 82-80. Villanueva. Lob pass, Freeman. And here's Olsen. Almost not quite.
And a foul on Kagiwa. That will mean free throw shots coming up here for Olsen.
And that's going to get the San Miguel players off their seats. Now here's what happened on the Ginebra side. What a shot block.
Yan ang sinasabi natin, completed shot block dahil na-blanka mo na, napunta pa sa iyo yung bola.
And the grand old man of the San Miguel Beermen, Olsen Rosella, with a gutsy move. Who cares if I'm 39 years old?
Oh, and a very good free throw shooter, missing that one. Kagiwa being replaced by Willie Miller and Ambers coming in for Ronald Tubig.
Strange that Olsen started his career as a Mr. Quality Minutes awardee. And his career coming full circle because that's his job now. Provide a lot of leadership and quality minutes whenever he is sent in by Shot Tankinsen. He goes 1 out of 2. Let's go to Leah Cruz.
All right, thanks, Miko. A lot of emphasis on defense for this final quarter for the San Miguel Beermen, essentially on their pick and roll. Coach Shot also wants their big men to stay low and to lock up defensively, but they also want to make sure that they score, so they have to execute. Back to you guys.
And here's Miller. Miller fakes, fires off the glass.
Favorite rin niya, yung binabanda niya ng ganyan yan. You can see his eyes. He's focused on the spot where he wants it to go in. 17 in the ball game now for Willie. Great start for him with 9 points in the first quarter.
3-point game para sa Ginebra, 84-81. And Villanueva here goes outside. Arwin Santos, a high looper.
That's what Ambers can do for this team right now. Just rebound, defend and rebound. Get some good shots, take it.
And he missed that shot. Here's Rosella to Freeman to Arwin Santos. Perfect fast break for the San Miguel Beermen.
Still a 1-point lead here for Ginebra. 8 minutes and 11 seconds. Been a very interesting ball game here in the second half.
84-83, just a 1-point lead for Ginebra. Here's Miller. Wilson to Ambrose. Shot clock down to 4. Miller, top of the key. Tough shot.
Good thing they have a Willie Miller to bail them out. You know, Ambrose had nothing with the ball. There was no play, no shot, and the shot clock was winding down.
So back to a 3-point lead for Ginebra, 86-83. 7.5 remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Jonas Villanueva against Enrico Villanueva, and the ball goes out of bounds. And they'll call a jump. They'll call a jump.
Of course, Freeman was hoping for a foul to be called after his offensive rebound and his drive to the basket.
So we have a timeout, 7:28 remaining, 3-point game for the Gin Kings.
Hello everyone, this is our Super Dance 2 album. You can get it in all record bars nationwide. Please support it. It has certain hits like Dali Grande, which I performed kanina. Kitang Kita at madami pa. If you don't want to buy the album, you can download all the music on the www.sarrecords.ph. Ayun, to all viewers, have fun pa sa game.
Tayo kaya, Dr. J, we try doing a dance number one of these days, huh?
Masyado na tayong ano yun. Makapapato tayo ng tao, partner. Kung hindi, okay lang, bahala na. Yung katulad na sa All-Star na ginawa niya, no?
Kaya natin yan. Alright, Ambrose, rebound. Oh!
Sabi sa'yo, yun na lang dapat gawin niya. Rebound, kick out.
Here's Rosella. 7 minutes to go in the payoff period. Bierman down by 3 points. Danny Ice spins. Danny Ice shot erased. Rosella's shot blocked. And Freeman connects.
And that's just perseverance on the part there of the Bierman, not giving up on the play.
For San Miguel again, banging on the door, down by just 1, 86-85. As we near the halfway mark of the fourth quarter. And here's Miller, lost it.
You could see that he dribbled off his foot in that play.
Santos on the right side. Danny I at the free throw line. 10 to shoot. Harwin and now Jonas. Jonas Villanueva with 5 to shoot. Rosella for 3. Long and Ambrose with the rebound.
He had a lot of rebounds ever since he came back into the ballgame. He has not scored, but he has rebounded well.
Here's Ambrose, he'll fire away.
He's trying. Yeah, he got a 3-point shot there. Finally, 13 points in the ballgame. His first points in the second half of play. And a big one at that.
That extends the Ginebra lead to 4 points, 89-85. We've crossed the halfway mark of the fourth. Daniel Defonso off the mark. Rebound para kay Willie Wilson.
If you see all the rebounds of the zone, they're coming from the weak side, where the rebounds usually is available. No?
Ambrose baseline. Oh, challenged by Gabe Freeman.
So you cannot do that thing against Gabe Freeman, yung pabali-bali sa kanya. Ay naabangan lang siya ni Freeman sa ibabaw. Hindi siya kumakagat doon sa mga bali-bali niya, nafa-foul din siya.
Here's that move. A great defensive stop there by Gabe Freeman.
And another complete stop dahil napunta yung bola sa San Miguel. The ball going off the shoulder of Ambrose.
5 minuto natitira dito sa fourth and final quarter. Lamang ng 4 ang Ginebra, 89-85.
Kagiwas come back into the ball game to replace Helterbrand.
Here's Kabagdot for 3.
Little long there, and Kagiwa comes up with a defensive rebound.
And now Kagiwa will organize. Here's Miller on the left side. Miller pulling up. Yes, sir. That's a 2.